Welcome back. Unlike our American friends, Canadians racked up more debt during the recession. For every $10,000 in spending money, we now owe a record $15,000, most of that in mortgages. But as Mike Daley explains, credit card companies are about to make it even easier to charge it.
I'm paying with my phone, please.
With a simple swipe of a phone, the transaction is complete. No credit or debit cards were used, no cash either. The future of banking is in your cell phone. Could spending your money get any easier?
This is really going to take off, and over the next several years, we expect every Canadian is going to have a wallet in their phone and be able to transact with it.
Now, this power comes at a precarious time. The recession may be over, but interest rates will inevitably go up, and Canadians aren't as financially stable as some would have us think.
The concern, though, is that during the recession, households did a very unusual thing. They had a drop in income and they had a drop in net worth, but they continue to pick up debt.
Of course, most of that debt can be found in mortgages, so there's no reason to panic yet. But the belief is that 6% of Canadian households are in a vulnerable position. And if mortgage rates spike, that number could increase to 10%. It's why everyone wants to know this man's plans. Just don't ask Bank of Canada Governor Mark Carney when he'll increase lending rates.
Next question.
In the meantime, a new report from Deloitte suggests credit card companies are introducing new ways to create business, which could be good or bad for consumers, depending on how you look at it. Loyalty programs, such as the ones that give you airline points, encourage consumers to spend, and prepaid cards will be more prevalent as well. But it's the virtual wallet that truly seems like the future, even though the concept is old news overseas. It's worked there, so there's no reason to believe it can't here.
Certainly, Canada is probably lagging from a technology adoption in the payment space. So we've seen the adoption of mobile payments in Europe and in Asia for several years.
The question is, with our debt levels, can we handle it? Mike Daley, Global News, Toronto.